I'm going to talk about sustainable energy resources. The definition of the word sustainable is to meet the needs of today without compromising future generations from meeting their own needs. So, for example, if we grew a tree today, we could chop it down, we could use all the wood, all the energy from that tree. As long as we replant it, the future will be able to use that tree as well, replant it again, and so forth. So it's absolutely amazing. There are 4 examples of sustainable resources that we have looked at today. The first is wood, the second is biogas, the third is CHP or combined heat and power, and the fourth nuclear power and nuclear energy. Each of those resources have their own advantages and disadvantages. Biogas is absolutely brilliant for poorer, less economically developed countries. They basically put all of their animal dung and plant waste into a big kind of drum in the ground. They cover it up, it festers away, and it produces loads of gas, which then they go on to use as energy. It's really, really great in that it's cheap and it's easy to build and to make, especially for less economically developed countries, and they give a huge amount of power and energy with that. The second resource, the next one, is combined heat and power. With that, they use the waste energy, the waste heat from power stations such as coal power stations, and they use that and they turn that into more energy for us. And the fourth one, nuclear power. They use hydrogen and water. And it creates a vast amount of energy with just a very, very small amount of water. This is really, really good, but also people are a little bit worried, about some of the negative consequences of nuclear power, so associated health benefits and so forth. It's usually the more developed countries, that are investing in things such as CHP and nuclear energy because they cost a lot of money, and it's the developing nations that use more wood and biogas sustainable energy resources because they are cheaper.